Hi guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a get ready with me after so long. I think it's been almost 1 year. Last time I did this was for Diwali last year. I showed you guys my entire get ready routine. So this year I thought let's do it again. Let's get ready together. I'm heading to a friend's Diwali party. I'll show you guys my makeup routine, my hairstyling routine, as well as my final outfit once I'm ready. Before we get started, I'm quickly going to sip on my detox water because we need to clarify our body before heading to a party. So if you need inspiration to get ready for your Diwali pujas and parties, and even for Diwali day, make sure you stick around till the very end. I also get a lot of questions asking how I do my hair, how I curl, how I do my signature blowout curls, and I thought this would be the right time to share everything with you guys in depth. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, if you've been on this channel for a while, you know how much I love using the Dyson Airwrap. That's the one tool I use to style my hair literally every single day. Truth be told, I love styling my hair, and before I got myself the Dyson Airwrap, I was burning my hair with a regular hair curler, and that's when I realized it's high time. I cannot afford to do that. So I saved up. I was still in college at the time, but that's how much I wanted that product. I saved up and I got myself my first Dyson Airwrap, and my friends used to come home. I used to curl their hair as well, and all of them got influenced, and now literally my entire close friend circle, they got themselves the Dyson Airwrap, and we all love it so very much. And it's been 6 years now. I am still using that very same Airwrap, but I wanted to upgrade, and because Diwali is here, I thought this is the best time to do that. So I got the Dyson Airwrap ID. I'm going to quickly unbox the Dyson Airwrap ID and show you guys whatever is inside. So obviously we have the body of the Airwrap. We then have a detangling comb. Next is a conical barrel, which is engineered to style closer to the root for more defined curls. We then have the long barrel, which creates nice loose curls, bouncy curls, also waves in both directions. The large round voluminizing brush has long fine bristles that direct air deep into the hair to give you volume and body, creating tension to shape the hair as it dries. We then have the soft smoothing brush, which is perfect for straight styles. It smooths and controls finer hair with enhanced coanda airflow. The dryer plus flyaway smoother is a 2-in-1 attachment to dry damp hair and smooth finish styles with the coanda effect. We then have the fast dryer, which is perfect for fast drying before you style. There's also a filter cleaning brush in the case itself. What's new about the Dyson Airwrap ID is that you can set the curling sequence using a timer feature that they have on the app. So once you download the app, you create your hair profile, put in all information like your hair type, hair length, hair texture, style retention, skill level, and even your styling goals. So you activate your curling sequence and the machine will automatically set your perfect curls. So it makes styling super easy and you get consistent curls. What I love is you can just keep your phone with the timer on while you're doing your hair. So if you've ever wanted to get it but you're wondering how am I going to use it, it's going to take me so long to figure it out, and so you dropped the idea of getting it, Dyson has literally made it so easy, guys. Alright, let's get started with the process. So as you can see, my hair is damp. It's not dried. I'm taking the detangling comb and I'm just going to go over my hair a few times. Now if your hair is too damp, you would want to use the dryer. So this is the new conical barrel, which is narrower from the top, so it's going to give you very nice, precise, defined curls. And because we're using the timer, it's going to make it even easier because all your curls are going to be consistent. It's not like one curl is going to be really loose and then one really tight because you held it longer. I have the app open right over here, so we're just going to get started. This is the new conical barrel. It has enhanced coanda airflow, a narrow tip that reaches in closer. So the result is that it attracts and wraps the hair from the root, and you have curls that are tighter on the top for a more defined look. So it's wrapping, styling and cooling based on the timer that has been set. Do you see this? Do you see how nice and how precise each curl is? You guys can see the difference between this and this. So I've done like these outward facing curls, and to do the same thing on this side, you want the curl to go outwards as well. To do that, you simply have to twist this and you're ready. Okay, so I'm starting off with the process, and as you can see, we have our timer ready. It's already running, and there we go. Look at how nice and clean the curl is. I'm repeating this process for each section. Oh my god, look at how perfect these are. Do you see how stunning the curls look? It feels like I've spent hours doing this, when in reality all it took me was about 10 minutes. And there it is, the final hairstyle. Do you see how quick and easy the process was, and that too without damaging your hair? You already know I love everything pink, and so getting the limited edition strawberry pink and blush pink Dyson Airwrap is so special. It comes with a detangling comb, making it the perfect gift. If you'd like to get your hands on this, I have left more information down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. We're doing quite a simple makeup look. I'm using some primer, using some blush, putting it on the high points. Once again, this is also pink. I'm going to use a darker eyeshadow shade on here. It's not like a dark, it's more like a medium shade. And towards the inner corners, I'm just going to use my finger and take a little bit of a shimmer shade. You can take any shimmer shade you like and just kind of dab it in. What's Diwali without a little bit of glam? Go. I love how it has come out. Super easy, super quick. Now it's time to put together the outfit with accessories, bag, footwear, all of the rest. So that is the complete outfit. I am a fan of the Dyson Airwrap ID, and I would highly recommend, if you want to get hair like this, make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link to it down in the description box below. This literally makes for the perfect Diwali gift. So whether you want to give something to your mom, to your sister, to your best friend, to your girlfriend even, the Dyson Airwrap ID is definitely something you should check out. That's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the entire video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below letting me know if you want more such get ready with me tutorials. And if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and join our family. I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, bye bye and happy Diwali.